Hey kids, it's your good friend Randoo. Today I'll be teaching you how to get hot chicks. Wait, what was that? Oh, you can't say it anymore? Strong, beautiful, independent women. So anyway, it's called the stick twirl, okay, man? Or spinning the stick, if you will. Check it out, man. I'm pretty good too. So chicks dig it. Strong, independent women dig it. Or men, whatever you're into. Whatever floats your boat, okay? But check it out. That's how you do it. You just twirl it like that. Take it, spin it like that. Take it, spin it like that. Anyway, that's just a quick tip for you guys. I hope everybody has a great day and be good to one another, okay? See you later.